What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today is going to be a super fun one. We are headed over to Formula Drift Atlanta, one of my favorite events of the year. And this one is going to be extra special because we are going to be going through the entire Mustang Unleashed experience for new 2024 S650 owners. If you're not familiar, Mustang Unleashed is going around from event to event all throughout the country to give 2024 S650 owners a really cool experience at a track with ride-alongs, like goodie baskets, meeting some of the RTR team, all this fun stuff. I only know what the emails told me, so we're gonna find out together once we get there today, but I'm super excited to see what it's all about. I think there's some VIP parking for only S650s. There's a bunch of cool stuff. So we're gonna head over there right now, take you through the entire experience, and we'll see what it's all about. So I'll see you there. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
I knew you were going to do that.
I had to.
You have a chance to get in a 2024 Mustang with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and Ben Thompson themselves.
All right, guys, we made it. Let's go check out what this experience is all about. I'm excited. Let's go.
If you're 2024 Mustang owner,
Yeah.
you get to go in front of the line,
Okay.
and when you let them know you're here, they
Yeah.
give you a hat and a dog tag.
Oh,
For
okay.
your car, and you can put your name on the back room or whatever you want.
Oh, cool. So we can just get in this line here. And... Okay, cool.
All right, Tyler, this is your special Mustang hat. Thank you so much for being an owner. I'm going to give you this band right here.
All right.
This lets everyone know that you're an owner. You are our VIP today. We are celebrating y'all. We're giving you this token. You can exchange this token inside. There's something called the paint booth. It's got a big sign over that's lit up that says paint booth. You exchange this token, you give it to the guy that's running it. He'll make you a dog tag that you can customize with anything you want on it in the color of your Mustang.
Really? That's cool.
It's very cute.
Nice. I love it. I'll do it. You got a bougie band. Woo,
Part of the
bougie
Cool Kids Club.
That's cool. Go step up here, man. A little remote rev action. Ooh, yeah, the RTR one. As we were walking around the booth and checking things out, we heard Vaughn's voice come over the speakers, so we absolutely had to make our way outside and check it out. As we were standing way in the back, Vaughn said, if you have a Mustang key, wave it up in the air. We are taking a couple people along for ride-alongs, and so I grabbed my key so dang fast and was waving it like a madman. And crazy enough, they picked me. So we were able to get a ride with Vaughn Gittin Jr. Check this out. I think we're getting a ride today, guys, with Vaughn. That'll be super cool. I'm on this other side now, so there's no going back, even if I didn't want to. Oh my God. Can I get in? Okay. What's up, man?
What's up,
How's it
man?
going? I don't know if you remember, but you signed that like front radiator cover on my Mustang in here. Dude, it looks so good. We got James Dean to sign it the other night.
Yeah.
It's coming together.
Sick, man.
Oh my. It's like another day in the office for you, Bob.
This is working hard.
This is it. Oh my God, man! Thanks so much. That was freaking killer. Holy crap, guys. I just did my second ride along. I can't honestly believe that we were able to get a ride along with Vaughn Gittin Jr. That was absolutely epic. So not only has he signed the car, but we've actually got a ride along with him, and that was absolutely epic. So this whole Mustang Unleashed experience has been really cool. Honestly, there was a bunch of stuff to do. We got the little dog tags made. There's a ton of S650 Mustangs here today, and it's really a neat kind of experience for the 2024 owners. So if you guys own one yourself, look up on the Mustang Unleashed website of what events in your area that they're going to. It's pretty cool. We got a bunch of different, we have this RTR spec right here, which is absolutely beautiful. I actually really love these Aero wheels. Dang, if I didn't have my Tech 7s, I probably would have done that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We got quite a few S650s over here today. We're gonna actually kind of finish up here. We're gonna head over to probably the pits of FD, check that out. And then we get to kind of enjoy the day watching Formula Drift. So very cool experience, and the ride along was totally worth it. So by the way, I'm not a hat guy, but my hair is so screwed up from the helmets that you guys are getting a hat today. So that being said, we're gonna grab some stuff, head over to the pit section or the track somewhere over there, and we'll enjoy the day. So let's go. Who we ran into. Chris.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Hey, I found your car, Chris. I'm looking at S650, S650.
Oh, there's mine.
There's yours, S650, S650, S550. Okay, I guess it don't matter. So, yeah.
I'm in there.
Looks good though. I like it. Look at this is literally like what mine was stock. It's just so low.
I'm just a little bit lower.
So low. I'm ready. Oh, yeah, I'm ready. Here we go. See ya.
Look at us riding in class.
We are crammed into the golf cart. This is way better than walking.
Way better than walking.
You know, I could probably use a good walk. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video kind of covering the Mustang Unleashed experience. I thought it was super cool, and this is definitely the same day, even with shorter hair and a different shirt, definitely the same day I'm doing this clip. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thought it was super cool experience, that Mustang Unleashed is putting on around the country here. So if you guys own one of these cars, make sure to check out the website, see, if they're kind of in your neck of the woods. I think you guys would enjoy it. And obviously Formula Drift is always fun. Guys, thanks again for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.